Hi, I'm Ruby, a sales counselor with UnionMain Homes. Today, we're in the Reunion community located in Rhome, Texas. Reunion is a vibrant and growing master-planned community in Rhome, Texas, that boasts nearly 200 spacious lots. Located in the award-winning Northwest Independent School District, residents can enjoy access to top-tier educational opportunities. The community also offers the added benefit of no mud tax and expansive amenities, including a sparkling community pool, providing residents with a fun and active lifestyle. UnionMain Homes at Reunion offers 6 floor plans, no mud tax, no PID, full irrigation system, 40-foot lot sizes. All floor plans include large windows for great natural lighting. 2-story floor plans feature high ceilings or optional media room. There's so much for you to see. I can't wait to show you around. Make your appointment for the Reunion community today.